everyone, a very warm welcome to your today's amazing session, and we are finally going to discuss the coordinate covalent bond, right? So I hope that you were really waiting for this, and it's really very important topic from this chapter, okay? And this is the last class. Iske baad we will have the one shot revision and finally the doubts and menti session, okay? So before the doubts and menti session, make sure you go through all the videos and just give your doubts in the comment section so that we can get them all clear before the menti round. Okay, chalo. So if you are new to the channel, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel so that you people do not miss on any of the upcoming videos that we will have related to ICSE, right? And also like the video. So yeah, in this session we are having finally the coordinate covalent bonding. Let's get started without wasting any time. Okay, chalo. So yeah, we have seen the ionic bond formation in the last class, and in the ionic bond I told you there is a complete transfer of electron that happens from one atom to the another. Let's say I have sodium, I have chlorine. So sodium is gonna transfer its one electron completely to chlorine. That would be the ionic bond formation, where you get the positive species, a positive cation, generally metals would be there, and a negative anion, that would be a non-metal. ठीक है, ऐसे ही then we discuss the covalent bond formation in which there is a sharing of electrons that happens. So covalent bonds में sharing is caring का concept होता है, and वहाँ पर we have seen the simple covalent bond formation, polar वाला. So this is another type of covalent bond which is a coordinate covalent bond, also known as dative bond or the coordinate bond. ठीक है, let ma'am check something. Okay, everything is good, very good. Yeah, so what you can also call it as the dative bond or the coordinate bond simply. ठीक है, अब इसमें होता क्या है, देखो, this is also a type of sharing, but the sharing is not happening equally between the two atoms. Like in normal covalent bond, you saw that if there is a single bond, then one electron will be contributed by A atom and another electron by B atom. Then they are mutually sharing that one electron. Equal share. ठीक है, जैसे you are living in a flat with your friend, then you both are paying equal rent. That is a simple covalent bond. Now what happens in the coordinate bond? If two species are getting involved in a bond, then both the electrons are coming from the one species only. जैसे again we will take the example, you are living in a flat with your friend, but all the rent is paid by you. ठीक है, so friend is just enjoying there, and the friend is paying the money, and like yeah, chill, there's nothing to worry about. So it is a type of covalent bond in which two shared electrons are supplied by the same atom. So it's a sort of one-sided sharing. Just say, let's say A is having two valence electrons, like simple lone pair of electrons. So A is gonna give it to B, not transfer, but yeah, still it is a sort of sharing, but one-sided sharing is there. A is saying these electrons are still mine, but yeah, you can come and share them, right? So what happens now? कैसे होगा coordinate bond? What is the condition for that? We have to understand everything. See this point, it is formed by two atoms sharing a pair of electrons, where one of the atom has lone pair of electron. Condition number one, the atom, at least one atom out of two should be having lone pair of electrons. Now ma'am, what is a lone pair? I don't understand. That's very confusing for me. How I just know about valence electrons. So you know about valence electrons, ठीक है. So lone pair क्या होगा? These are those valence electron pair which are not participating in the bond formation. Like जैसे extra pen, जैसे let's say you are having 6 pens for your exam, and you are only using 2 of them, one black and one blue, then the remaining 4 pen are just the extra pen that you are having. You can still give them to your friends for sharing. आप friend को दे सकते हो, like if you don't have a spare pen, I will give you mine, but you return it back to me. Okay, so lone pair of electrons are those valence electron pairs which are not participating in the bond formation with any other atom. Okay, they are found in the outermost electron shell of an atom. I will make you understand by taking an example. देखो, let's understand the formation of water. Okay, so you know oxygen has a configuration 2 6. Oxygen has got 6 valence electrons, so it just wants 2 more electrons for the octet. And hydrogen has a configuration 1 only. एक ही इलेक्ट्रॉन है, दैट इज द वैलेंस ओनली. सो लेट्स से दिस इज ऑक्सीजन 1 2 3 4 5 6 valence electrons. Now this is your hydrogen with 1 electron, another hydrogen with 1 electron. So these hydrogen share 1 electron with the oxygen atom and they complete their duplet. देखो यहाँ पर what is happening, duplet of hydrogen is complete. So hydrogen is happy, happy, happiest. I am happiest today. And see this oxygen, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and these 7 8, 2 electrons which it has shared with the hydrogen each. So this is the octet of oxygen. So if you pay attention, in वाले 2 electrons को देखो, these 2 electron pair, this 1 electron pair and this 1 electron pair, they are the valence electrons, but are they participating in any bond formation? Tell me in the comment section. Are they participating in any bond formation? Nope. No, they are not. Okay, so because they are not participating in bond formation and they are still in the valence shell, so I can call them lone pair of electrons. So water में oxygen has 2 lone pair of electrons. These lone pair of electrons are available for making a एक्स्ट्रा बॉन्ड लाइक कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड बन सकता है यहाँ से. वन साइडेड शेयरिंग इज स्टिल पॉसिबल. ऑक्सीजन का ऑक्टेट इज कंप्लीटेड, बट स्टिल इफ सम वेरी पुअर एलिमेंट, आई एम लुकिंग फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, प्लीज गिव मी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, कम्स टू दिस, then water can think of something, right? So you can easily see the lone pairs now. Other examples, अमोनिया को ऐसे ही घर पे ट्राई करना. अमोनिया में नाइट्रोजन हैज 1 lone pair of electron, right? So ये भी it can still donate its these electron pairs, not completely, still in sharing. Okay, so just try to see, same happens in hydrofluoric acid. फ्लोरीन के पास भी होंगे, right? 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 electrons, 3 electron pairs. But fluorine is very electronegative in nature, so fluorine से electron लेना आसान नहीं है, that is very difficult. Okay, so let's see some of the points in the coordinate bond. The electrons are attracted to both the nucleus. Yes, even when the sharing is one-sided sharing, the electrons are attracted by nuclei of both the atoms. Just let's say this is the donor atom, okay, and it's contributing its 2 electron to this acceptor. So these 2 electrons which will be involved in this bond, they are attracted by this nucleus as well as by this nucleus. Okay, so these electrons are in the vicinity of 2 nuclei. Point number 1. The second one, the atom which supplies the electron is a donor atom. ठीक है, जैसे किडनी डोनर्स होते हैं, दे आर गिविंग देयर किडनीज, ऐसे ही इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनर्स supplying its electron. ठीक है, and the one which is accepting those electrons, you will designate that as an acceptor, whatever you can say. Let's understand the coordinate bond formation of ammonium ion. How basically NH3 combines with an H plus ion and forms NH4 positive. You always write this thing, है ना, कितना लिखते हो आप. We still have to understand where are the covalent bonds and how the coordinate bond is being formed. ठीक है, यहाँ पर let's understand this. देखो बहुत ध्यान से देखो. First of all, I will show you the formation of ammonia. ठीक है, अमोनिया के लिए नाइट्रोजन has a valence shell में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स? 5. ठीक है, this is the configuration. 7 is the atomic number. हाइड्रोजन 1. चलो, अमोनिया इज विलिंग टू टेक, अमोनिया में नाइट्रोजन वॉन्ट्स 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. 5 plus 3 will be 8, ऑक्टेट हो जाएगा. देखो, नाइट्रोजन 1 2 3 4 5 valence electrons. Now 3 hydrogens are also there because we are talking about ammonia first of all. 1 hydrogen, another and another. So all these 3 hydrogens share 1 electron each with the nitrogen of ammonia. एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर कर लिया, they are getting a duplet. ठीक है, Okay, now what is happening to ammonia? देखो 5 electrons इसके खुद के हैं, 1, 6, 7 and 8. Yay! So how is ammonia being formed? This is the lone pair of electron not participating in the bond formation. One single covalent bond, another and another. ये वाले इन्होंने क्या किया? They have made a covalent bond. So in ammonia, I can see there are 3 covalent bonds that are present. Yes or no? Clear hai? This is visible to you. Now what happens? See in the picture. Ammonia plus H plus. एक दिन H plus आया. H plus, you know, that is a simple proton. Hydrogen ion doesn't have any electron. एक भी electron नहीं है. Only one proton is there. So it came to ammonia one day and said, I want some electrons. देखो, this is my ammonia. I am showing it like this. Nitrogen, 3 hydrogen. This is one lone pair. यहाँ से आया H plus ion. H plus has any electron? Hydrogen had only 1 electron. वो भी it has lost and now it is H plus with 0 electron. So H plus wants 2 electrons now. अगर 2 electron मिल गए, it would be stabilized as a duplet. ठीक है, so अब ammonia में nitrogen is like, you know, okay, I have these extra electrons, I have extra lone pair, so I can give it to H plus, but not transfer it. I am still gonna share it. So ये nitrogen बोल रहा है ठीक है, H plus तुम भी क्या याद रखोगे, ये लो. So this one-sided sharing is done by nitrogen. Although nitrogen has a complete octet, point to be noted, nitrogen is not interested in this bond really, because it will say my octet is done. But still H plus needs that, and nitrogen is having that availability, so it's gonna give it by one-sided sharing. ठीक है, so ऐसे होता है ये bond, and then finally we write it like this: N, 1 hydrogen, 2, 3 and 4. Because H plus has been combined, so I can show a plus charge. This is how the formation of NH4 plus takes place. So I can say in ammonium ion there are 3 covalent bonds, and this bond is a coordinate bond that is formed here. ठीक है, you have to remember this point, not difficult. So यहाँ पर देखो, nitrogen is the donor because nitrogen is donating its lone pair one-sided. Not complete donation is happening, still it is in the sharing vicinity, and hydrogen is because one-sided acceptance is happening, so it is the acceptor. And finally we get ammonium ion, which is a coordinate covalent bond. Arrow कैसे दिखाओगे? Arrow always has to be shown from the direction of donor to the acceptor. ठीक है, just like this arrow you would be showing. So you can understand the formation, the diagram, the whole in detail is explained here. If you don't understand it from this one, you can see this. Similarly, you can show the formation of coordinate bond in the hydronium ion. ये घर पे try करना, ठीक है? इसके लिए क्या करोगे? Same way में first of all show water. अभी मैम ने बताया था water में oxygen will be having 2 lone pair of electrons, bent structure like this. And एक दिन H plus आया, then oxygen like okay, don't cry in front of me, huh? I will give you. So what happens? This is how it happens, and they will also be making a coordinate bond, and these are the 2 covalent bonds. So this is how it happens. Water plus H plus will be forming hydronium ion. This hydronium ion has 1 coordinate bond, ये रहा, and 2 covalent bonds. ठीक है, कर सकते हो easily, not difficult for you. You guys are very smart already. ऐसे ही we have boron trifluoride BF3 आप लोगे, that is electron deficient. Electron deficient, ठीक है, and ऐसी species को हम Lewis acids बोलते हैं. When you go to class 11th, you will study the definition of Lewis acids. So the species which have a tendency to accept the electrons, right? And ammonia is gonna act as a Lewis base. ठीक है, base Lewis के according वो है which has a capacity to donate the electron. So because nitrogen has this electron pair, valence electron not participating in bond formation, that is lone pair. So it can just transfer, rather you can say one-sided donation can happen to BF3, and they will be forming an adduct. it's just simply a compound complex formed between a Lewis acid and a base. So again I can say this ammonia is the donor here. ठीक है, BF3 is accepting that, it will be my acceptor. ठीक है, so lot of examples we have seen. Now the conditions of the coordinate bond. First condition, one of the atom must have at least one lone pair of electron, है ना, otherwise who will donate? One donor, one acceptor. Another atom should be short of at least one pair of electron, means one species should be capable of donating and the another one should have some electron requirement so that it can accept it. ठीक है, so सब थोड़ी ऐसा करेंगे, not every species is gonna donate and accept it. So you can make the concept very easy, do the written practice, छोटा सा topic है, you can do this and questions come from the coordinate bond. Then we have this छोटू सा point about the water. Water has this capacity of self ionization, मतलब water molecules with each other have a tendency to transfer the proton. ठीक है, so वो क्या करते रहते हैं आपस में, they keep on transferring the proton. Proton means I mean H plus ion here. One water molecule to another, another, and this is responsible for very high conductivity here also. ठीक है, so जैसे water is gonna ionize on its own and will be giving me H plus ion and OH ion, hydrogen ion and hydroxide ions. You know that. ठीक है, now what happens, this H plus ion is very small in size. ये H plus बहुत छोटू होता है. ठीक है, it's small because it doesn't have any electron. कैसा दिखता होगा H plus? This is the atom, this is the K shell, no electron, no neutron, just one proton. So that's not stable, it wants something to hold, something to attract I should be having. So small size unstable hota hai, it becomes difficult to exist on its own. So it combines with water and forms hydronium ion. What is this? Hydronium ion. So this is how the self-ionization of water happens. First of all, water is going to break down to give me H plus and OH ion. Now this is very unstable, chotu sa, so it combines with another water and makes hydronium ion. So I can just directly show the ionization like this. If you take the two water molecules, then you would be getting hydronium ions and OH ions. Why we show this equilibrium arrow? ये वाला arrow क्यों दिखाते हो, double headed one? Because the rate of ionization is very slow. ठीक है, काफी कम extent पर ionization happens, so we are showing it with this arrow double headed. So it's not a complete ionization of water that is taking place, it's still the partial one. देखो, I'll show you one thing here. Exactly कैसे हुआ है ये? Water is gonna give me H plus ion and OH ion. ठीक है, now let's say you have two water के molecules. This is one water. यहाँ पर oxygen, you know, this is a polar covalent bond. So oxygen will have some partial negative charge because it is more electronegative, and hydrogen will be having a partial positive charge. ऐसे ही let's say there would be another one also. This is one water, and let's say यहाँ पर another water. This also has partial positive on hydrogen, partial negative on oxygen. So ये water क्या करता है? It has two lone pair and it will be attracting this H plus ion. इस H plus को अपने साथ ले जाता है. Give this H plus to me, right? And hydrogen will be leaving both the electrons in this oxygen only. So finally what happens? Because one water has gained H plus, it will be converted to hydronium ion, H3O plus, and ये जो अकेला रह गया, this will be my OH ion. So you can show it directly like this also. So this happens in the self-ionization. Lewis structure of hydroxide ion you can show very easily. कैसे बना होगा? Hydrogen is leaving its own electron also, so it acquires a negative charge. ठीक है? I have a homework question for you. Yay! The question says that, does the octet rule got violated while forming the coordinate bond? लिख देती हूँ, does the octet rule gets violated while forming a coordinate bond? सोचो 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 सोचो, and I want the answers in the comment section, and in the next class I will add the homework rock stars. All those who give the answer in the comment section, your name will be there. Okay, so I guess that was all about the coordinate covalent bonding. Go through the examples of ammonium ion. We have seen hydronium ion. एक adduct का example दिया था. You can just keep that thing in mind. And the self ionization of water we have also seen. Okay, chalo, so next time we will have the one shot revision. Do attend that session so that you can do well in the doubts and menti session. Okay, so meanwhile I'll tell you that if you people want to get enrolled in the long term batches with Vedantu, then new batches are starting from the 21st of June. Old batches are completely filled now, right? So make the registration fast so that you do not miss on anything, especially the guarantee that we are giving you. So your fees would be returned back if in case you don't feel any improvement by the end of the year. And 10th boards are going to happen only one time in your life. You don't have to appear again and again, so just do not risk anything. Just study systematically and we will support you throughout your journey. You can try the subscription for 1 month first, and then you can take the year-long subscription. Okay? And your improvement is our guarantee. For 10% discount, you can use the coupon code SKA Pro. क्या करना है उसके लिए? I will show you. देखो, this is the video, right? So you have to like the video first of all, then go in the comment section. ठीक है, comment section से पहले भी you can see in the description box, register for Vedantu subscription and get 10% discount. Tap on there and then select your respective grade, ICSC, CBSE, whatever is your class, right? Then यहाँ पर you have the three plans are there. So in the first one, light wala plan is best for you because you are getting all the things in here. Even if you pay 27,500, you will get discount. ठीक है, और उसके बाद भी you are in a guarantee that if you do not improve, you can get your fees back and you can give the fee in installments. So all the features, you get the live classes, you get the test series, analysis, assignments and notes. So it's a complete pattern wise study that we would be following. And if you want the doubts app, then you can go with the classic subscription, and plus wale ke liye you also get a mentor. So that is not required if you are studying regularly, on time, everything you're doing. You can buy the complete course. देखो यहाँ पर on applying the code you will be getting 3050 का discount, and yeah, these are the payment options that you can use. EMI is also available. You can try for 1 month also. What are the features? It will show you all the details. Okay, chalo, that is also coupon code noted down. Go in the description box to talk to your parents and start taking the classes. New batches are starting now. So if in case you have any confusion or suggestion, you can write me on my email or on my Instagram. Ma'am will see you next time. Take care.